What's up, data? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now we see that on the lower time frame we can find a significant trading opportunity on gold. Now before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll come back to this time frame to see how we can trade gold. Now, first, let's look at the bigger picture, monthly perspective, to see where the price is residing at the moment. Now, first of all, bigger picture on the monthly gold long-term bearish. You can see that this is the long-term downtrending market. The price was creating series of lower high and lower low on the monthly perspective. Now, the last month we have seen this candle which has a long, strong rejection from the bottom, from the support, creating this half body red and half long wick candle. Now, as soon as this market opened here on the monthly perspective, we see that gold, first of all, has an uprise as expected in this monthly level of resistance, and then we have seen a rejection down to the long wick zone. This is the monthly zone where we can expect, as expected, gold came down to test this around 50% of this long wick. Now we see gold again retreating back. So we have seen now currently gold is heading this monthly level of resistance. This is the monthly level of resistance, as there are two monthly opening and closing. So now let's see on the weekly perspective what is likely to happen on gold. Now on the weekly, the price section is very clear. You can see that gold is in a long-term downtrend on the weekly perspective, creating a double top, and then has broken down, followed by this retracement, another breakdown, followed by this retracement. Now we have seen another impulse with this red candle. Now this week after opening, we have seen, as expected, a drop, and then now the price is going up for a healthy retracement, which is a normal phenomenon in a healthy trending market. Now what we can expect now gold to do, there are a couple of zones that we can look at. This is the monthly resistance, as you can see, which is almost there, gold price. Now there is another possible level that we can look at, is this month weekly level of support. Here you can see this green candle which has created the high on the weekly. This is the bottom of the weekly price section where we can expect this is the previous support zone here. Now with that in mind, what we can expect now, gold to go up and test this previous support zone here as a resistance, and then to has a rejection either from here or from here on the lower time frame. Now looking at the daily time frame, what we see that on the daily perspective, gold has created this impulse. This is the daily impulse. As you can see, it's a very strong impulsive move to the downside. Now we can expect, as usual, a retracement to the upside, which is happening with this today's candle as well. So let's place our Fibonacci from the high to the low. What we see that gold now around reaching 50% Fibonacci low zone, which is also aligning with the monthly resistance, and also from 50 to 60, 61.8%, which is the 61.8 golden ratio Fibonacci zone. So these are the two levels that we can expect for the gold to continue to drop. Now looking at the 4-hour time frame, what we see, the price is now approaching this zone. This is the zone where I am expecting gold to reach around this zone and to create a possible reversal pattern or any kind of price action on the 4-hour time frame for a potential shorting. If we see that gold is showing us this kind of pattern that we can expect for potential shorting, then we can go short with gold based on price action confirmation with our students with a high risk to reward ratio for this move to the downside. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.